In this video, we will demonstrate how to add an event. In this account, we're working on the training calendar because it has a black check mark next to training. We then click on Add Event. On this screen here, the first thing we'll do is add the event title. Once you have the title entered, you can now enter the campus location. The event will happen at the Odegaard Undergraduate Library. Notice for the campus location field, it's a type to search. As I start to type ODE, there's the campus location that appears. If I just typed OD, the available campus locations will display all campus locations that meet that criteria. Once I find my campus location, I just select it. I then move down the event page, and notice my time zone is set for Pacific time. This is the time zone of the event. For the event start date, I'm going to enter January 23rd of 2017. I can then enter the start time. This will start at 10 a.m. For the duration, this event has a duration of 90 minutes. Notice you can put in a duration of hours and minutes. For this, I could put in 1 hour and 30 minutes. I could also put in 0 hours and just 90 minutes. This event is a one-time event, which means in this demo, we will not show the repeat options. Since this event is a one-time event, you'll also notice we have the event interval, ongoing event, and one-time event. Since this is a one-time event, make sure one-time event is the selected radio button. Since this event does happen in the Odegaard Undergraduate Library, we need to specify what room within the building it takes place. Next, you'll notice we have an Event Types drop-down. This is a required field, and you want to select one or more types for your event. This event happens to be a workshop, so we will select Workshops. The next area is the event image. If you have an image for your event, you can add it, or if you don't, you can just move on to the next field. For this event, we do have an image. We will click New, and from here, you can browse and select your image or link to an image. However, if you already have an image in your library, you can select the blue drop-down arrow and locate the image from your drop-down. We found the 3D white ball in our library, so we're going to select this image. We're also going to edit the image. Notice this image is very wide. Our goal is to make the image 100 pixels square. We're going to edit the image in PicMonkey. The image now appears in PicMonkey. What we're going to do is select the crop option. With the crop, we're going to move the grid over the image, and as you look over to the left-hand side, you can select your crop proportions. We want the crop to be square. Once you have the square, we click Apply. From here, I'll now save the image. The image is now saved and it's square. Once you've finished editing the image, also notice the display name says 3D white ball. It's very important that your display names actually match and describe what the image is. We then go ahead and click OK. Now the image is added to the event. On the next field is Event Sponsors. Next field is Facebook. If you'd like to attach a URL to the Facebook page, you can also type this in this field. There's also a Twitter URL. Below this is Featured. If this event should be featured on your department page, you can tag this as Yes. What a featured event will do is make your event stand out from all of the other events on the calendar. The editor notes are notes you make to yourself about this event. This note is seen by you and other editors. Below this is the description field. It is in this field where you put in all of the additional information about the event. Below this is the web link. You can leave the web link field blank, or you can enter a web link to redirect a person to more information about this event. When you click OK, the event is saved and the event is live to the calendar.